Hello there. It's your boy, Tasty Cake. Cleaning has begun. Well, I've been loading pictures on my fan page, Reverend Amagon, on YouTube, on Facebook, the Facebook fan page. The only fan page I have is Facebook. So I'm downloading all my pictures from the two times been to Hollywood Studios with my best friend. So a few years apart, download them all. Next, download the Ripley's. I may load it to my main page, but then again, see how it goes. But right now, I need a Reese's Crunchy Peanut Butter King Size Break of Vegetable. Also expired last month. So, Reese's Crunchy Peanuts, peanut butter, cream, peanut butter, and chocolate bar. 170 calories. Very thick bar. Very thick. Thick of it. Thick. Okay. Let me put this on pause. Scratch. Let me check something real fast here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I was shocked by the news. News of ignorance. Okay. I'm on YouTube. There we go. More garbage. Okay. Reading a lot of stupidity. Through Legends of the Traveling TARDIS, and that's it. Okay, so to the candy bar. How to get prepped. I got shocked by the first news, and I got shocked by some second news. Like, gee, my Christmas. The world's falling apart, and they're worried about stupid garbage like that. Okay. Actually, tore around it. It's pretty funky. Funky cold. Dun 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 dun. Oh, it broke in half. It's a king size. It's not a share size, so it actually broke. Actually broketed. Soft. Peanutty. Chocolatey. Very crunchy peanut. Good. Definitely high on the crunchy peanut. So if you're high on crunchy peanuts, get the Reese's Crunchy Peanut. I have a jar full of cashews. Well, not full anymore. A third full. You get time to eat this, make some time. Whew. Actually, a regular size one. This was, you get your jaw moving, you eat a king size bar. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Yeah, it's been there for a bit because it's almost smooshed in the end. But in the end, we were all smush. Good smoosh. Not going to attempt a very bit. It was good. It was up there. I feel the peanuts everywhere. Dun 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 dun. Dun. I'm full. So, do you like crunchy peanuts? Oh, pause went off. That's funny. Okay, so you like crunchy peanut? Get the Reese's crunchy peanut. I'm more smooth than crunchy. I can do crunchy. I have no problem with that. I went by the expiration date. I mean, the next expiration date is this month for another one, so I actually looked through the jar. Try to do snacks one a week. Just finish it up because there's new snacks at work. Like, Wuzzy Hootsit, which used to be called Thingamajig. We have the king size one, so I'm going to do back to back with the whatchamacallit and Wuzzy What's It by the time I'm done. So, you know, it's flavor wise, it's definitely it's up there. I eat cashews all the time. That one took a while to digest. I'm full. I don't eat lunch. That was filled me up completely. Well, I'm not nutrageous because I still got nutrageous down there. It was good for me personally. I had it. Maybe if I'm in the mood. I thought I was in a mood. So I can give it a 9 out of 10 actually. Maybe if I was in a better mood of wanting that again. Like, it was smooth. It was crunchy. Screamy. Giggity. No, fine. I'll give it 10. You know. When I get to the Yoo-Hoo candy bar, I will give that a low score. But for quality, yes, it was a 10. I'm very full right now. Eating nothing. And because it wasn't a share size, so we couldn't wrap it up. It had to be a king size, and it broke. So I mean, me. If it was a small one, I guess I can go for it because I have nutrageous all the time. Nutrageous eat it all the time and stuff like that. But this is more slightly different, crunchy peanut. For me personally, it was. I don't know. For me personally, it's a 9. I was aiming for it, but then again, going on and going on and going on. Like, For quality, it is a 10. I mean, it was very delicious. But I wouldn't eat it again. If I did, it'd not be a long time. It'd just be a regular size. Yeah, I can bump myself with cashews. I don't know. I'm being fickle. More peanut than chocolate. I know, right? Peanut butter. I'm not into crunchy peanut butter all the time. It's like it has to be a very certain time. And I went by the date. So maybe it was a different time. I would have given it, for my personal value, 10. 10 for quality, 10 for taste. Everything else, you know, it's a very good candy bar. I suggest it. But for me, it was a little too much. Maybe if it wasn't king size, just satisfying, because now it's like, whew, I don't have the energy. I want to take a nap. Just kidding. But I got things to take care of. No nap. May have a slice of cheese, just or a spoonful of jelly, jam. I have some grape jelly. Gonna have a scoop of that, just to balance it out. So yeah, it's an awkward review, aren't they all? And please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, and always remember, time waits and turns slowly.